Hello everyone, greetings of the day. We are here going to discuss on the topic planning unit number 1. Scope. Basic principles of kitchen designing. Workflow of a kitchen. Points to be considered in kitchen planning. Steps for designing a kitchen. Space allocations and the equipment selection. Basic principles of kitchen design. The most basic layout principles in the work triangle. The work triangle is the line drawn from each of the 3 primary workstations in the kitchen. The food storage area, the cooking area, and the cleanup area. The kitchen layout is the shape that is made by the arrangement of the countertop, major appliance or the appliance, and the storage area. This floor plans creates the kitchen's work triangle. The path that you make when moving from the refrigerator to the sink to the range to prepare a meal. Basic principle of kitchen design. Here's a few examples. Kitchen efficiency and flow. This is the design which we do is just a basic that we have to meet the kitchen efficiency and the flow during the work in the kitchen. It will be in a cycle, say for example from the receiving or storage, food preparation, meal cooking, service, and cleaning and washing. So these are few examples. You can see the layout of the banquet kitchen, the work triangle, what exactly the triangle is meant: stove, sink, and refrigerator. And above the sign is been given very nice and very simply and very understandable that kitchen work triangle is from the refrigerator, stove, and sink. This point. Basic principles of kitchen design. 6 principles of kitchen design are flexibility and modularity. A commercial kitchen is a dynamic place, so its layout should be able to accommodate change. Creating an adaptable workspace might take the shape of a multi-use workstations or movable equipments. Number 2, simplicity. To maximize space and effectiveness, consider designing a kitchen with simplicity in mind. Further, selecting the proper equipments with only necessary accessories will save space and money. Number 3, a flow of materials and personals. A kitchen designed around the flow of material and personals will have a logical layout in which no employees or materials backtrack through the space. In other words, the kitchen will operate in some type of circular pattern. The refrigerator and dry storage areas should be near the receiving areas, for example, but the waste disposal and the washing areas should be separate from the food preparation and meal cooking areas. Basic principles continuation. Number 4, ease of sanitation. Beside cooking, employees spend the most time cleaning the kitchen, so having a kitchen that's optimized for sanitation is a must. A great way to make kitchen easier to clean is to install casters on your work tables and equipments, so it can move them when cleaning the floor and walls. Number 5, ease of supervision. The executive chef has a lot to handle when it comes to managing the kitchen. He or she finishes dishes, designs menu, orders supplies, monitors food quality, and ensures that equipment is working properly in addition to supervising the kitchen staff. An open kitchen with few or no walls or partitions allow for increased vision, easier movement, and better communication, make it simpler for the executive chef to supervise. Space efficiency. Creating a well thought out kitchen design before ordering equipments and working on a layout can help set the business up for success. An optimized kitchen design can help make the employee job easier, help makes the kitchen flow more efficient and even prevent accident. Be careful not to take space saving too far because a kitchen that is lacking the necessary equipments will severely hinder production. Workflow of the kitchen. So number one is a menu planning, then purchasing, receiving, storing, issuing, preparing, cooking, holding, serving, and guest satisfaction. Workflow of a kitchen. So starting from the kitchen, what we will see is kitchen preparations, cooking, storage, utensils and equipments, perishable and non-perishable. Service area and the staff area, electrical, plumbing, HVAC, surveillances and service entry. Dining area, entrance lobby, reception, waiting lobby, dining space, bar, lounge, POS. This is also a kind of a flow work of a kitchen. Points to be considered in kitchen planning. First, environmental condition. Proper and sufficient light and air are provided to produce more work with comparable attention. Temperature and humidity. Number two, high temperature and high humidity have a tendency towards increasing accident rates. Number three, lightings. In the kitchen also has exhaust effect on the nerves of the food workers. Colors, soft yellow are attractive to kitchen staff and seems more productive. Sound. Sound absorbing enclosures around the machine's wool or other absorbents. Odor. Offensive odors should not be allowed to develop. Working area. Good air turnovers and circulations within the workplace are efficient. Height. Height of work table should be 37 to 41 inches where women and men can work all together. Aisles and work areas varies from 2 feet to 15 feet. Both this is merely extremes equipments designed in such a manner that fulfill the needs of the kitchen productivity. Workspace relationship. Supplying a space to near a machine or cooking device. Transportation. No congestion to carry and work around with the cooking device. Motion economy. Free movement in and around kitchen while working. Few examples, few pictures. Stage 4, designing a kitchen. Determine a basic menu design or pattern, number 1. Number 2, estimate menu items to be prepared according to demand. Number 3, consider food purchasing policies. Number 4, ascertain the size, number and type 2 equipments needs to process the menu styles and types of dishes chosen. Next, compute from specifications of equipments that amount of space required to house the space requirement. Number 6, determine layout equipment departmentally according to food flow analysis and frequency of use. Number 7, the peak food purchasing requirement must be determined. Number 8, determine and allocate floor space required for refrigerations and dry storage purpose as a ration to total space availability. Number 9, estimate the dining room space by analysis peak patron loads and average seat turnovers during this period for any given outlet. Number 10, allocate service area space within the kitchen by considering menu, peak load requirement and patron needs and types of service offered. Step for designing a kitchen. This is space allocation. There are two basic intentions that remains constant wherever the catering policies are. Receiving of commodities, number one, in various form, either by partial or complete preparations followed by cooling, reheating, portioning and other dispensing methods of conversion of this food supply into meals. Number two, regulating the supply of food in meals forms because of limitations such as economy, time, locality and quantity, but in such a way that the quality of food and service is acceptable and attractive. Space allocations, receiving area, delivery or loading bay, pre-preparations area, trimming, cleaning, washing, sanitizing. Sometimes we will know the area as a commissary. Central storage, dry and food storage, cold room, working and deep fridges, pastry, bakery and confectionery, garbage disposal, chemical storage, butchery, gas bank, commissaries, larder room, main kitchen, pantry, pots and pans, wash up, service area, wash up, that's a dishwashing area. Space allocation, the continuation. Here are a few pictures have been shown for more clear idea. Space allocation again. Wow, the things have been kept and what are the spaces required for the allocations. Equipment selection. Space layout and design. Sometimes buying two small pieces can be of better choice than buying one large piece of kitchen equipment. Number two, are you short on space? If yes, option for multiple or the multi-purpose items for your commercial kitchen. For example, combi oven are a perfect fit for small size kitchen. Number three, desired outcome. Regardless of the type and brand of kitchen equipment, choose. It is vital to confirm if it is capable of delivering the exact output in the most desirable way possible. Number four, durability and power. Parts made out of stainless steel would last longer than of those made out of aluminum material. So don't compromise on the durability and the quality aspect. Number five, post-sales service. Does the brand you choose offer any after-sales service for maintenance, repair and upgrade for their kitchen equipment? Next is the energy efficiency. Number six, with the fast increasing cost of energy sources, it is of utmost importance to ensure that the kitchen equipment model choose ensure good efficiency. Number seven, ease of use and cleaning. No matter how latest design it is, it does make sense to buy a kitchen equipment. It doesn't make sense to buy a kitchen equipment that is quite challenging to clean and use in everyday life. Number eight, select your suppliers company smartly. Select a leading suppliers company bound to receive a wide selection of latest best quality buy kitchen equipments that are well in compliance. Equipment selections. Few examples as the photographs shown here. What types of equipment tools you require needs to be selected as per the requirement for your use. Thank you very much.